can't just hide. Peter's not gonna last like that.
Oh, neither will we if that thing finds us, too.
We've got to wait for Styles.
I'm not waiting here.
Oh, hey, Malia, hold on.
Scott?
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. Don't let her go.
Scott? He's not healing? Scott, what happened to your eyes?
I had to. I'm sorry.
Scott, you have to heal. If your eyes stay like this much longer, the damage is going to be permanent.
Come on, Scott, concentrate. I'm trying. It's just not working. I can't focus.
Hey, look at me. Yes, you can. Just concentrate.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can. Scott, please just look at me.
Malia? Kiss him.
What?
Kiss him.
Like a river, always running, I keep losing you. Like a fire, always burning, I'll be here.